Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, so today is hopefully a good day. I'm going to be showing you a product called X2C. Hopefully you see my posting on it. It's basically a way to convert Excel spreadsheets, specifically with formulas like this, into C++, and I am going to show you how it works. This is a demo mode of the add-in. It's an Excel add-in. So here I've downloaded this option value Black-Scholes model, blah blah blah, and in it you'll find all these parameters. Now I've put these in because usually from what I see, the software, this add-in likes the value and then the variable that you're going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an entity. If you've seen the posting and the videos for how to use this software from one of the accounts here, this company right here, Active Mesa R2, no, this product right here, Active Mesa X2C. This is what I'm showing you. So some preview videos here. So continuing along in our add-in, what we can do here is we can add and make each of these cells scalar or a vector of data or a function, and what we can do, I'll just show you some examples here. So in this case I'm going to make these scalars, and let's see what happens here. Okay, so make this a scalar, or not, no, forgive me. I'm going to make this an entity. So this is going to be a class right here, but it's going to use these as the variable name. So what we do is we go entity. So here we can see the name of the variable that it will become. So in this case, yield, where it is here. Okay, and so on and so forth. Number of options, number outstanding, and rate. Cool. Okay, so what we're going to do is for each one of these, I'm going to have to change the date type. I am going to change these to a double. All of them, because they are doubles. And let's see what happens here. Okay, so give me a couple of seconds here to get all this lined up. Double, 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 double. It'll probably be some could be single, but this is just for demo purposes. Okay, so we have double and the rate. Okay, cool. So everything's double. Let me just make sure, or double check. Gonna keep the current value of what these are set at here at $10. So continuing along, we've got everything converted in our new entity. Everything's all doubles as we want. All right, so now let's go in and turn each of these separate output as a function for C++. Just come in here and change that to a function. Of course, it's going to be a double. Our name is going to be D1, D2, double checks, just making sure everything looks good. Double name, that's what I'm checking for. ND1, I guess. ND2, that's a double. False double, yeah. And then we got the call price. Well, we want to turn that into a double. Double. I think the reason it's changing to string is because of the dollar sign. But we'll take care of that. Double. Now I haven't do a function double. And last one. Function double. Okay, cool. So I'm going to save all of them. Now the preview for some reason doesn't work. Now I'm going to save this as C++. We'll call this test BS for Black Scholes, not the other one. Save. Let's see what happens here. So that will get saved. My documents. So this one right here. So here you go. Here's all the C source code. A call option. Now you'll notice here that it does retain the functions and the formulas, as well as it takes care of all the parameters as an argument, plus it defines its own separate set of headers. Essentially here we don't need this SDTAFX when we port it over to let's say Linux or Mac. I'm going to save this as a structure. Call price, same changes would be needed. Call price. So again, we get to keep all our functions or our formulas, and they become separate functions based on what's defined from the conversion within the Excel add-in of X2C. So here's the global definition. Obviously I need to fix this up, like my entity and all that. But you can see defines everything for you. Again, with the format. Now here's something you need to be aware of. This function from Excel is not supported. So somehow you might have to do your manual conversion. Thankfully, this is just a random Excel spreadsheet that I downloaded from QuantCode or somewhere online, but I don't think I'll be needing that. The other thing is I need to mention is the generated code doesn't need to be very efficient for my end, just due to the fact of I'm not using this for core trends, just for analysis. So it's just more convenient being able to have this functionality to convert from Excel to C++. But you can see it works pretty good. Alright, so knowing that, I don't think we need, apparently these are called or predefined, so I could probably remove those to boost support. But looks good. Alright, so I just want to show you that, but the next big test is to be able to somehow build this in my Mac OS X IDE Eclipse. See if I can maybe do something with this and maybe turn it into a library or something, just to test out. Alright, so I just want to show you this and get your opinion on it. But for the money of this product, the cost is $150, I've shown before. It's worth the money to save a lot of time on all the dozens upon dozens of spreadsheets that I get. So I just want to show you this. Hopefully it'll help you out. Talk to you later.